vintage camera that I got from this one I got from an estate sale. You can see has the viewfinder. This one's a little different than the other one too. It has the SD card thing right here, and it has this one has the thing where you can hook it up as video, DV, AV. Yeah, it has sort of a fire. This one has firewire, like the other two. And then this one has tape eject, which only works if you have the battery charged. Which only works if you have the battery charged up and plugged in. This is the back side. See this is the thing where you can look through the viewfinder. This is the third one, and here's the lens. Here's the side, and here's and this one's a little different than the other two. This is the third vintage one I got. This one I got from a sale, from an estate sale. I'm kind of loving these kinds of vintage cameras because you really can't find them anyplace else. You can find them at thrift stores or estate sales or yard sales or what have you. And this one is just like the other two. The other two are Panasonic, but this one has a three-way PC link. I don't know what kind of tape is in here. I think there's a tape in here, but yeah, there is a tape in here because you can see even though you can't see it. I think there might be a tape in here. But yeah, this one has a thing where you can put a light, where you can put in external light. Oh, if you want to see the battery for it, I'll show you the battery for it. This is the battery. This is the battery that came with it. That came with this camera. I have two more like this to show you. Here's one, and here is the other one. All of them are DV. This one has, well, this one doesn't have a door where you can put SD card, but this one does. See, this one does. This one does too, but this one has a thing on the inside. See, it's right here. So those are the three vintage cameras I got from different places, different sales and whatnot.